Hey, Scott again. I'm with Rendall Certified Cleaning Services, and I've been looking forward to doing this video for a while. I'm going to call it Rendall's Rant, and my rant today is going to be on Smartstrand, the newer corn fiber that's out there in carpet circles. From a professional cleaning standpoint, let me just tell you the problem. The retention on it is terrible. Oftentimes what happens with, let's say you have a nylon carpet, it's got a nice tight twist to it. You walk on it and it springs right back up. The problem with a lot of the Smartstrands is that they'll have a tendency to lay over and they won't easily snap back up. Now, why is that? Why is there such a big difference? You might have heard of polyester before. Well, that's exactly what Smartstrand is. It's a newer version of polyester. Polyester has nowhere near the resiliency of nylon. And so it just makes perfect sense that when you walk on something that's less resilient than something that's more resilient, the one that's less so is going to stay down and the one that's more so is going to pop back up. Now, there are some positive things with Smartstrand that I will also say. One of the things is really hard to stain. It's water resistant to the point where things don't soak into it and actually stain the fibers as easily as, say, nylon or even previous generations polyester. So it does have that going for it. However, in my opinion as a professional cleaner, the negative of the retention outweighs the stain resistance of the fiber itself. We always recommend that you use, if you're going to go with a synthetic fiber, that you go with nylon. Use the nylon high quality carpeting. It's going to cost you a little bit more. Absolutely. It's a higher quality product. If you do choose to go with the Smartstrand, make sure that you read the carpet warranty on retention and talk to the salesperson about that and ask them which one is the best retention. The nylon one, the polyester one, and hopefully they'll know the answer to that. The people that we work with would know that. So make sure that your carpet salesperson is actually informed and ask them the tough questions. One other thing to keep in mind when you're installing any carpeting is the quality of the pad. Quality of the pad actually makes a huge difference on retention all around, not just on nylon or polyester, but all carpets. What happens is if you have a high quality padding underneath your higher quality carpet, when you walk on that carpeting, the carpet pad springs and also allows you to cushion that fiber when you walk on it. If you had a hard one, let's say that it's a lower quality pad underneath any carpet, you step on it and now you're rubbing it. You're just pushing it down and it's rubbing when you walk. Doesn't have any nice cushion to it. So make sure that your carpet padding is a good quality one no matter what you choose, and ask a lot of questions to your carpet salesman.